Hello everyone and welcome to my new space! Today I'm going to reveal you the reason why I didn't post a video last week. Sorry. So let's reveal my secret. I moved! So yes, I moved out from my old house and I wanted to find a beautiful, serene, warm, and inspiring place. I actually did! This was the first place I visited, and then every single place after this one had no mojo. I couldn't think about anything but this place. So this is a mini loft. It is small, but for me size doesn't matter. Most important, I wanted it to be inspiring and beautiful. With nice material and a beautiful view and stuff. I have a beautiful view, I'm so grateful. So I found this place and I was pretty obsessed, to be honest. I moved a week ago or so. One of my big professional projects started on the same day. So I was kind of busy. But the first day I actually cleaned most of it. It was full of dust. Today I did a little bit more. I'm so happy to have this beautiful kitchen. So grateful because, as you might know about me, kitchen is something quite important for me. I have a huge island with a stone top, an under-mounted sink, which I love, and an electrical stove, which is not my favorite, but you know, nothing's perfect. I'm okay with it. It is a good electrical stove. I'm not controlling it yet. It has a mind of its own. So now we're just getting acquainted. And I make a mess when I cook. But well, I'm very happy to share a little bit of my space. The new space you're gonna see from now on. I wanted to move to Canada until COVID-19 came. So I am going to stay probably a year here. I am very happy and excited to share some new recipes, oven-free recipes, because I don't have an oven here, but I do have a wonderful blender. A blender is essential in my life. I really wanted to get a new blender to make some vegan cheese, and I'll be very happy to share it with you. This is just a very random lifestyle, hello that's me video. It is not particularly gluten-free, though everything is gluten-free here, but I wanted to update you on the situation and why I didn't show up last Tuesday. gluten-free diet and healthy, simple, but delicious recipes, do subscribe. I'm preparing a lot of content for you, probably because Christmas is coming and I'm quite excited. Okay, I don't know if you're excited like me when Christmas comes, but I used to hate Christmas and actually now it's a problem. I love it too much. So if you want to follow my gluten-free journey, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I hope you're having a wonderful day and you enjoyed this very little, tiny, mini moving process / home tour. Lots of gluten-free blessings, you guys. Bye.